Hello everyone, this is Mr. Elvin from ACES Math, and today I'll be going through two questions engaging the laws of logarithms with you guys. Now, I just want to highlight before I start solving these questions that the method and the procedure in which we solve them is not unique at all, and you may have a slightly different method or steps in solving the question. Now, they are all alright as long as you actually engage the laws of logarithms systematically and correctly at every single step, right? You will get there eventually. So do find your own way of solving such questions and don't try too hard to mimic every single step that I'm going to do today. Alright, without further ado, let's just begin. Now, for the first question, you are given three sets of logarithms being multiplied together, and you are asked to simplify this. Now, at first glance, you will have to realize that there is a fair level of symmetry governing these three sets of logarithms. One's base is always almost another guy's power, and when a question is phrased like this in such a high level of symmetry, right, it's too good to be true. And you will know that the law to engage here must be the change of base situation. And the first question that comes to mind has got to be, what base do I engage then? And the answer is actually any base is fine in this case, as long as it's a positive number, hopefully greater than 1, of course. So in this case, I'll just show you how to simplify it by engaging the base 10, which is my favorite base to use. So after engaging the laws of change of base over here to all three logs to base 10, right, I will get the following: log 10b over log 10a for the first guy, log 10c over log 10b for the second guy, and log 10a over log 10c for the third guy. And you will see that three sets of cancellation takes place here right now. So we have this cancelling with this guy, this cancelling with this, and lastly this cancelling with this. And the final answer is just a neat 1 actually. So all three logs cancel with each other all along. Now I do encourage you to try this question out using a slightly different base and see how for yourself how the simplification checks out eventually anyway. Okay? Now, is given a simple looking logarithm, log 2 base 3 is known to be p, seek to simplify this logarithm, log 72 base 4. How do you actually approach such questions, right? Is to slice and dice the given log 72 base 4 such that this p can somehow be slotted in eventually. Okay, so how do you go about doing this? I will first split log 72 into log 4, 8, 9. And by the laws of logarithms, this can be split up into the addition of two simple logs, log 4, 8 plus log 4, 9. Now, you must first then recognize that log 4, 8 can actually be evaluated into a nice number right away. They are both connected by the number 2. 4 to the power of half brings me 2. 2 when raised to the power of 3 brings me 8. So the answer to this is simply 3 over 2. And 9 can actually be expressed as 3 squared. So I will have log 4, 3 squared. And by the laws of logarithms, I can actually bring the 2 down, so giving me 3, 2 plus 2 log 4, 3. Okay? Now, how come I know I need to move in such a direction, right? It's because by the given premise of log 2 base 3 to be p, the crucial numbers here are actually 3 and 2. So my goal is actually to make 3 and 2 appear in the simplification of the logarithms right now. And that will involve slicing and dicing every single number into its product or its division. So now I'm facing with log 3 base 4 as my last piece of the puzzle, and I will engage a change of base to engage base 2 in both cases. So I would have this 3 over 2 stays there forever. So 2 log 2, 3 divided by log 2, 4. Now, log 2, 4 can be evaluated to be 2 right away because 2 squared is equal to 4. So collectively, I will now have 3 over 2 plus. So like I said, this guy here evaluates to become 2, right? So it can actually be cancelled with this guy right away. And I'll have left with log 2, 3. Now, log 2, 3 is actually just 1 over log 3, 2 by a change of base. Sorry for the handwriting. And hence the final answer is just 3 over 2 plus 1 over p then. I apologize for the handwriting and the mess in this, but here we go, that's the final answer. And remember, like I said, the key to solving such question is actually to slice and dice any given number such that you have the key numbers provided, which in this case are 3 and 2 in the picture. Then you must find a way to slot in whatever given information into your current expression. Alright, that's all from me today. So feel free to leave any comment if you have any requests and questions for us. I see you on the next video. Goodbye.